Hey there, calendar user. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, we're going to be going over how to use Calendar's new Chrome extension. So first things first, we have to add the extension. So we'll head on to the Chrome Web Store and you'll look up Calendar Scheduling Software and you'll find us. And you'll just click Add to Chrome over here, Add Extension. And you can see up here in the top right that we have now added this extension. So this is what the extension looks like, and we can go over what it looks like in your email and kind of show you what it looks like in action. But this is what the extension looks like, and you can see it up here. You can even go find it in your extensions and pin it for extra ease of use. So now you can see it up there. So now let's check it out in action in our email. So we'll give this a refresh so that it can catch up with the extension. Okay. So let's say we have this email drafted up here and I'm trying to meet with Scott and I want to be able to send him my calendar link or send him some available times without having to go all the way back into my calendar account, right? I want to be able to do it just from here. Well, that is what the extension is for. So you'll come up, let's say you want to look at some times and trying to connect with Scott here. We'll go grab our extension up here and all of your time slots will pop up. So let's say I just want to send him this calendar chat link. I'll click, I can either copy the link to put it in there, or I can actually add times to my email. So let's click that. Let's say I want to meet here, give him these next 3 days to choose from. So now it will give times for those 3 days, but I can even take it a step further and customize these times. So on the 4th, let's say I want to offer him 3:30 for 4:30. On the 5th, I want to offer him 11, 1, and 2. And on the 6th, let's say I want to offer 12, 1, and 1:30. I click copy, so now it's in my clipboard. I'll go back here to my email, click paste, and these are all those times I just picked. It's going to allow him to just pick a time straight from the email and get it on our books, on our calendars, and set it up. Now you can either send people your link or send available times right into your email or anywhere else without having to log into Calendar. You can do it straight from your browser with the Chrome extension. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.